How to block unwanted emails on Yahoo Mail. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can block unwanted email on Yahoo Mail. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into Yahoo Mail. Once you're logged in, head over to your inbox and select the email that you think is unwanted, and if you want to block it, select the email that you want to block. And then next to that email, click on this three dot icon and here click on block sender. And here you have options that you can choose from. You will block whether you want to block your account or you want to block that account. If you want to block all of the future emails or delete all of the existing emails, you can select all of them and you will not have emails further or in the futures from this account. Click on block, and with that you have blocked the account and you will no longer receive the unwanted emails from the account in the future. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.